never been the kind of family that's just kind of kept to ourselves. I feel like my entire life it's kind of always been, it's our family plus everyone around us. In 2012, we started Restoring Dignity as just a one-time project. We did not anticipate that it would become an organization. And it did start with us as a family getting together to help a family of ours that had lost a loved one. And we came in just to provide the family with some home items that they needed, some furniture items. And out of that, an organization was born. I feel like when we got introduced to refugees that were coming here, they really became our family too. And so when we work with these families, they're friends, they're neighbors, they're people just like you and me. And if we were uprooted and had to move somewhere else, I would hope that someone else would be reaching out to us and would be helping to get us established in that country and help provide us with support.
So I grew up in the inner city, and I want them to be culturally diverse. I want them to know that there are other types of people out there. There are, other cultures, there's other ways of doing things.
Well, I love my family because they're always really caring, and if somebody's bored or lonely, other people from the family or a couple people will come in and help the other person be not bored or just help them with something frustrating.
I love my family. What I love about my family is how they're always there for me when I need it. And for example, let's say I hurt myself or something, they'll just be there to help me out.
Commitment to family to me means that I'm committed to what each member of my family needs. I'm committed to taking care of them and making sure that they're safe and that they have everything they need.
Commitment to family means that we're in this 100% together, that we are doing this together as a family, as a team. Heartland Family Service is an amazing organization. It's huge. I know that there are so many, hundreds of people work for Heartland, and I know it's really quality work too. If ever I make a referral, I know that someone is going to do the work with excellence and with integrity. And I really feel like the people that I know who work for Heartland Family Service are very compassionate people. And this is not just a job for them, it's actually a life calling.